Hello everyone, colleagues at motorradonlinedotde in collaboration with British artist Kardesign, head of Kardesign, tease us with images of the Boxer model that will follow the new BMW R1300 GS, a model that will represent a small revolution in the catalog of the Bavarian brand with a factory in Berlin. On the BMW R1300 Gs will be followed by its sister RT. The guys at motorradonlinedotde point out that, in the absence of any spy photos, they asked artist Kardesign to do a styling exercise to see what the BMW of the future might look like. Let us remember that the designer made it when he envisioned the future of the M1000 XR. Regarding the future, RS1300, the German journalist assures that the sport tourism will change a lot in parts such as the optical group, handlebars, or there may be a single seat version. This means the model likely won't go on sale until 2025. The engine and aluminum chassis will be the same as the new GS, although unlike the trailer, it won't have a tail lever, but instead an upside-down fork. Radar and cruise control systems that adapt to traffic conditions. As for the R1300R, the naked can also install a radar system. The fork will be reversed, and the Boxer will produce around 145 HP. It will not disappoint if we talk about the LED technology with powerful headlights that give character to the front area. The exhaust should be lighter and more collected, making it easier to install the casing that will be offered as an accessory. Lastly, we come to the RT1300, which, if we stick to Kardesign design, will have a strong image. He'll be wearing new boxer shorts just like his sister, and wraparound fairing will protect pilot and passengers. Just like on the GS, the front suspension is tail lever. The 25-liter tank will allow a range of more than 500 kilometers. The RT1300 will come tile to ceiling with radar, heated seats, and electrically operated display and audio equipment. motorradonlinedotde colleagues do not promise anything, but dare to predict that through 2024, BMW will present new models with a Boxer engine R1300R, 1300RS, and R1300R. You have to buy a piggy bank. Still size pig shape. And that's our review today. See you in the next video.